In this video, how to generate the images of your marketing ads like Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, or Pepsi. I will show you the demonstration. Coca-Cola. This in this video, it will generate the image of the Coca-Cola brand using the Gemini AI. It will search on the Wikipedia SerpAPI, which is tool called like Wikipedia. It will take to 10 seconds to 20 seconds, and it is image generation. You can check the previous messages from this previous video, and you can see the how the image generated by the Gemini AI. You can take the Pepsi. Now you can see the image generated with the brandings on this marketing brands. It will take 10 to 20 seconds. In this AI generation, it will give the best prompt for the generation of the image. It will generate the image and convert it to binary format to JPG format. You can see Pepsi, how before the previous uh, Coca-Cola. Now I will show you how to implement this on in a written workflow. So I did chart trigger isn't is high. First we have to save a high note. We have to connect the chat model Gemini AI. I have already given my credentials to this Gemini API key. This is my credentials, and then flash 2.5 preview. Add a simple memory. Add Wikipedia. Serp API. You can view the credentials for this. First of all, add a credential. For this, go to SERP API. For this, you have to give sign in register or register. You have to sign in with Google. After Google, you can log into this web page. We can get the API key from this one and paste here and save, and it will give you a green signal. Add a code note. From this, we have to give the prompt for this. I already given. And from this previous video, I will create the image generation by using Gemini AI. I want to use that one. First of all, you have to save the code. Go to image creation. Copy this one. And paste here. You can get this one. In this, I did not get the chart trigger because I have already used. So add this one. Now we have to run this one. We have to give the prompt. I have already given the prompt. From this one, copy and take this one below. Oh, sorry. Add a system message. Here we have to give given below. First, we have to take the input. Say hi. Now we have to give the input to here. Now we have to run Fanta. it will take some error because I did not given the input prompt correctly. So I have to change this one. It will take to 1 to 2 minutes to generate the best prompt. It will show error or it will go to the comfort. Okay, here we can get. First we have to take change this data. Use the clean prompt here. Again, we have to give Fanta. Okay, then it will create the best prompt you can see, and it will given your best prompt to generate the image. It is taken by the okay. Here also we have to take the image. Here we have to take this one and execute, and again we have to send this data. Right. You can see Fanta created. Okay, Mr. Fanta font, or you can give Red Bull. You can see it will create a very how ads are making by using these images. You can give in ads also. You can see how Red Bull gives you wings. Wow, it is gives you a very cinematic level content. Thank you. This is how to implement the N8N workflow to generate the cinematic images using the Gemini AI image creation. Thank you.